Today we are going to talk about ECFMG pathways for March 2023. I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions, and these pathways just came in very recently during COVID. So there are certain changes actually made. They're still going on, and they made it especially for 2023 as well. We're going to talk about all that, and then what happens if you have taken CS, if you have not taken CS, then what pathway will you choose? How do you register for it, and then what are the other requirements? We're going to go about all that details, okay? So let's talk about first what is ECFMG, right? So ECFMG stands for Educational Commission for Foreign Medical Graduates. Okay, it is an authorized credential evaluation and guidance agency for non-US physicians and graduates of non-US medical school who seek to practice in the United States or apply for a US medical residency program. So basically, all the schools that are outside of US and they want to, if you graduate from medical colleges outside of US and you want to go do practice in United States or do a medical residency, then you have to go through ECFMG. It's ECFMG who will give you a kind of a certificate or kind of qualify you, regarding your requirements and everything for you to practice in US.